Hey everybody, welcome back to Vegas Tips and Tricks. Tonight, it's Vegas 42, the preview special. Well, it's really not going to be that special. Actually, going to be a pretty short show tonight. But I did want to remind everyone that we're just a couple of days away from Las Vegas. I'll be flying out Friday night, which is a little unusual for me. I'm going to head straight from work to the airport and should be in Las Vegas by about 8:30 or so on Friday night. So I'm excited about that. I hope you're excited about that. Hey, I did want to thank all the folks who commented on the last video. It's a lot of really great feedback and I appreciate that. I had fun sharing some of those stories, so hopefully there'll be some good short stories to share this time. I did want to kind of give you an idea of some of what I'm doing. When I first booked the trip, I clicked into the old Caesars Reward website and could see that I could get 5 nights at Bally's in one of their recently renovated resort tower rooms. Haven't stayed there before. Always recommend Bally's to folks, and I was able to get that comped over the weekend, so I went ahead and booked that. So I'll be booked in at Bally's for 5 nights, but I'm not going to sleep there all 5 nights. Because I will be spending Sunday night in downtown Las Vegas. Actually emailed the Downtown Grand. They've been sending me some, okay offers, and said, hey, I'm gonna, none of these days, none of these events that you're talking about are really fitting my schedule, but I did want to be in town. Could help me out. Host emailed me back. Very limited play there, said, hey, I can comp you a night. So I'm going to stay at the Downtown Grand on Sunday, and that's likely to be a really out of control evening because the nights on Fremont Street usually are. So looking forward to that. I'm going to try on this trip to get out to the Neon Sign Museum and maybe check out the show that they have there. I always like to wait till I'm actually on my way to Las Vegas to book shows because, if something comes up at the last minute and you can't make it, you bought a ticket. What are you going to do with it? So, but definitely looking at doing that possibly on Sunday evening. But I'm sure there'll be a lot of slot play and probably a little too much alcohol. And on Monday night, a special, and I do mean special, secret hotel event going to be taking place. If you're in the Facebook group, you may have a clue as to where I'm going to be staying on Monday night, but also probably not going to be at Bally's. So looking forward to that. Maybe going to try to see a couple of shows on this trip. I noticed that on Tuesday night, the night before I leave, I don't know if I call them a group, the sort of collaborative musical experience known as Postmodern Jukebox is going to be appearing at the Mirage that night. And I really enjoy their music and their take on music. So if I can get tickets, might be heading out to see Postmodern Jukebox. And either Monday or maybe Saturday night, maybe looking for another show, maybe go check out either Opium at Cosmo, or head out to Rio and check out either the WOW show or Penn and Teller. I'm not sure what nights they all appear. So that'll be coming up. Going to try to check out at least one new Gordon Ramsay restaurant. I think I might go to the Pub. So anybody has any other suggestions? Like I said, downtown, probably going to end up trying to hit up maybe Pizza Rock in the evening. Maybe check out the Freedom Beat Place at Downtown Grand, and pretty good things about that sort of new wave coffee shop. Definitely make it back to Banger Brewing. I'm going to try to check out maybe 1 or 2 other bars on Fremont Street or Fremont East, and of course I'll be gambling away, and if I have any good luck, I'll be of course sharing it with you. Speaking of sharing, right now my plan, like I said, on Saturday we'll probably do the Bally's room tour. A week from today on Wednesday, I will try to put together day 1 of the vlog, which will probably be the travel vlog just getting there. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and try to just do the vlog straight through. So Wednesday will be day 1, Saturday day 2. That'll wrap up the vlog within about a 3-week period rather than stretching it out over a month. I think that the momentum gets lost a little bit on that. So that's the current plans. Do you have any other suggestions, some ideas, some restaurants, shows, things to do while I'm in town? Please go ahead, leave them in the comments. And if you're in Las Vegas next week and you see me out and about, I'll probably have my head down hiding, but you can still come up and say hello. I hope I do happen to run into a few of you. But whether I run into you or not, we're going to talk to you about Las Vegas again coming up soon. Until then, hope you have a great and lucky week, and of course we will see you soon.